back to my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. So in today's video, we are going to be creating a whole tablescape with Dollar Tree items. Yep, I said it. We're going to be creating our own tablescape. So I have here these ornaments here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them, but I might. I'm definitely going to be using this white table runner, also from Dollar Tree. I'll be using a couple of ornaments here, and I will link down below the video that I made of me making my own napkin ring holders. What? Yes, all from Dollar Tree. You got your own napkin rings here. And then here I have these napkin rings, so cute. And then I have these plates here. Oh my gosh, tell me these aren't so cute. I was looking everywhere for these, and finally my Dollar Tree came out with these. So they do say comfort and joy. So I didn't want to go ahead and put a plate on top of it, so I'm just going to use the charger alone because I didn't want to have to cover the comfort and joy. Can't forget, also, I did make my own centerpiece, all from the Dollar Tree. I have a whole video on that. So I will go ahead and link that video right up here. I absolutely love the way it came out. It came out so pretty. And so everything on this tree is from Dollar Tree except for this little piece up here. This piece did come from Walmart. However, it was only 98 cents. It's one little pick, and you'll see it in my tutorial. I'll link it here. And yeah, so let's go ahead and let's start creating. Isn't it beautiful? I absolutely adore the way it came out. I also love the fact that it's so inexpensive and that you can create something so beautiful. So when you go to create your own tablescape, I definitely recommend you get whatever you like, whatever colors you decorate with. This is just something that I really was attracted to. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye!